Hello friends, I'm back with tips and tricks in the last week of NATA examinations, once by Creative Edge, which is one of the subsidiaries of Top Rankers. Friends, what could be interesting in the last week of NATA examination? Let us look into the NATA question scheme. The aptitude test of NATA may comprise of multiple choice type question MCQs with 4 options and multiple select question with 8 options. Numerical answer type, that is NAT, with multiple options like 8, 10, 15, etc. Observatory question based on the images shown for only 45 seconds. These questions will carry 1, 2, or 3 marks each. 125 questions have to be answered in just 180 minutes. The medium of aptitude, as you know, for the test is essentially English language. Friends, my name is Rajendra Bhatia, and I expect type of question, and I also cover them in the crash course. Like first and foremost, I give to the identify the architects and their works even through blueprints. Now these are pretty lengthy questions and generally are of 3 marks. Study and recognize architectural structures, then elements and principles of design. This is going into multiple kind of questions. This one topic. Fourth topic I think is identify the features of architecture and their styles, Gestalt principles, golden ratio, and logo design. I mean, the optional the questions could be MCQ, color theory, color perception, and color emotions, visual perception and terminology, observation-based images and their questions. Friends, selective sample questions that I have chosen just to show you as to how detailed do they ask and how much should be the extent of knowledge that you should be studying in the last week or revising with me. Select the 4 correct options with reference to the given blueprint. Marks will be given only if all the answers are right. 3 marks. This is a multiple select question type. Like this image is given and it's a blueprint, you know that. And the options given are Lakshmi Vilas Palace, the Khajuraho temples made using sandstone, Nagaraj style of architecture, and symbol a group of Hindu and Jain temples, a group of Buddhist temples, Congress style of architecture made using limestones. Why I have given it a little differently is like I just highlighted, the actual answer is that this blueprint looks like that of the Khajuraho temples made using sandstone, a group of Hindu and Jain temples, Nagaraj style of architecture. This is one kind, and out of about 8 or 9 types of questions or the syllabus that I have told you, I've only selected 3 of them to be answered here, just to give you a glimpse of how widely you should be studying it. Elements and principle of design could well be tested with such kind of images. This painting, called as Midnight Jazz, represent abstract art, indicate the visual elements principle depicted in the given 2D design according to the preference. Marks will be given only if all the answers are right. 3 marks MSQ type question. Now here, transformation, pattern and repetition, these are the options. Rhythm, value, impressionism, cubism, texture and contrast. The right answers are pattern and repetition, rhythm, value and cubism. So this painting Midnight Jazz represent abstract art. Friends, another kind of question that I've selected is rarely studied by general people. Which one option is applicable on the given images? MCQ type question, again 2 marks. Metamerism, Thatcher effect, chromostaropsis, the Corn-Sweet illusion. Answer B, the Thatcher effect. So don't think that this is just only image available on net. There are hundreds of images available with the name Thatcher effect. So would you like to revise your full NATA course with me in short time period? Turn on to the next page. I have got to offer you a power packed NATA crash course, only 15 days, out of which few days are already gone. Any which ways, the course inclusion, live classes, and the days which are gone will be given to you as recorded lectures, mock tests with video analysis, advanced counseling session, e-study material, comprehensive coverage of the course. Starting date was 22nd June. So you can enroll with us. For enrolling, you have to dial 7676564400 or log on to Creative Edge by Top Rankers. I'm sure you have already subscribed this YouTube channel. So friends, wishing you all the best from Creative Edge, the Top Rankers. Bye bye, all the best.